I'm looking into it. I will show.
Yo, I finally made it, y'all. We are about to start the Kumano Kodo Nakahechi route. It's gonna be such a good trip. So let's go grab our booklet and get on the trail. Stamp number 1. Many more to go. This trail definitely starts out with a good climb. But as you all just saw, when I was stamping my booklet that I got at the information center, this is a pilgrimage where you walk from shrine to shrine, and it's been done for over 1,000 years now by emperors, aristocrats, all different people from all different kinds of walks of life. And there's so much history and things on this trail that are going to make it so much different than hiking in the US. And one of the first notable things is wild camping. I don't think a lot of people wild camp on this trail. In fact, I don't think anyone does. I think they all stay in accommodations. But we are hiker trash, me and Wilson, and we do not have a whole lot of money after the PCT and this trip to Japan. So in the better interests of our wallet, we are going to wild camp. So battling against the daylight hours, the sun sets at like 4:30. We need to find a place to camp. This first part's a pretty steep climb to this village, and we'll scope some stuff out there. But the trail is already just so cool. I can't believe it. So there's a really tiny cave that you can squeeze through right there. It's supposed to bring you really good luck, but I'm not gonna do it because I have a huge pack and I'm claustrophobic, in case you all didn't know. Here's 10 yen for the first climb, kicking my ass. All right, I think that wraps up day 1. I am here at the top of the climb. Gorgeous trail. Feels weird to be back, but I'm loving every second of it. Tomorrow I descend into Takahara Village, which is supposed to be absolutely stunning. I found a perfect flat spot behind me, pine duff, primo real estate. Gonna sit down, have some of my gas station snacks. Every single Japanese gas station has an incredible resupply. Like, I wish I could tell you the selections, but it would take me too long. You can pretty much find things you would never imagine that you could. So that is one thing that's gonna make this hike amazing and very convenient, is just being able to resupply at all those little gas stations. I'm gonna settle down. It's really weird. It's 4:30. I'm trying to get out of the mindset that it's not summer anymore, and I can only hike until about 4:30 every day if I want to set up in the daylight. So here we are, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Alright guys, so when I was talking about Japan and their gas station resupplies, let me give you some examples here. So I've got this like thinly sliced beef jerky, and I think this was 300 yen, which equates to like $2.5 US, or about $2 US. If you buy beef jerky in the States, it's like 20 bucks. As Weatherman says, you have to be a millionaire to buy beef jerky, and I'm starting to agree with him. It's definitely tough. Milk chocolate with protein almonds. That's not gas station worthy in the United States. Gas station worthy is like Twizzlers and a big gulp, you know? Step up your standards, United States. Get like Japan. I'm gonna sit here, enjoy a snack, enjoy my descent into this really cool rest stop. I'll show you all when I get there. Damn, it just feels so good to be back out. Like, comparing my health on the PCT to after my body had 2.5 months of rest now on a different trail, it's just night and day. Like, I just didn't realize how run down my body was on the PCT. Especially thinking about it now and how I feel. It's crazy. But, alright y'all. Snack time. Get into the rest area. See you then. Oh, and really quick shout out to Richard in Japan. He's been following this channel for a while. He lives in Japan. He has been an extremely valuable resource. So if anyone ever plans on traveling to Japan or hiking Japan, I cannot tell you how much information and help Richard has been. Thank you, Richard. Sorry, now if people blow you up, I guess you can blame me.